But today in Uganda, even if you are stupid as Museveni's son, okay, did I say that? Did I say that? Even if they don't work, they have their slaves and their slaves are you. So I want us to come together and put an end to this slavery. I'm saying this because you need to hear it. This country belongs to all of us. The men and the women, the young and the old, the rich and the poor, the black and the brown. Finally and very, very finally, I want to promise you, my brothers and sisters, that this is not a dream. I am not dreaming. The things I'm talking about have ever happened here.